Hello everyone, this is Simon from writtenlegalenglish.com and welcome back to this week's Plain English redrafting video, week 28, where we're going to revisit that lease contract and we're going to have a look at another problematic clause. So let's get started. Just before we do, in case you're new to me or my channel, let me tell you about the content I put out every single week. So on Tuesday, I asked you to put your thinking caps on and think about how you would redraft a clause in a plainer but yet still professional English way. On Wednesday, I put out a video from my professional English writing course which focuses on one drafting issue, why it's a problem and how you can fix that problem. And then on Friday, I come back and I discuss the text that I'm going to ask you to have a look at today and give you my thoughts about how I would redraft that problematic text. So if you want to see all of my content, please think about subscribing on YouTube, following me on Facebook, connecting to me on LinkedIn, or if you want to do my online legal English courses, think about supporting me on my Patreon page. Okay guys, so this is the text I would like you to have a look at this week. Don't be deceived, it might be short, but there's a lot of things going on in here. So let me take you through the text. Tenants shall also have the non-exclusive right to use, in common with other tenants in the building, any and all of the following areas which may be... Now, this word is a brand new word to me, so I've got no idea how to pronounce this properly, whether it's appurtenant or appurtenant or some other way. I don't know where you put the stress on this word, but in any case, that word, to the premises. And then what follows is a list of areas like corridors and gardens and whatever it is. But that bit's not that important, just that there is a list of areas. So what would I like you to do with this text? I would like you to find the easy to understand message in the text. There is an easy to understand message in here somewhere. You've just got to find it and then work out how you would communicate it in plain language. Number 2, redraft the problematic vocabulary. Last week we looked at shall. We're going to do the same this week as well. And that word which I can't really pronounce. Appurtenant, appurtenant, whatever it is. And then 3, consider removing non-essential text. I think there is a lot of information in here that we simply don't need. And so when you're working out that easy to understand message, in that process, you might actually remove all of that, what I believe to be unnecessary text. So that's the activity for this week. I'll be back again on Friday to give you my thoughts about this, and please don't forget my video tomorrow about which focuses on one particular English drafting problem, why it is a problem, and how you can fix it. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow and on Friday.